Hello, thank you for joining Raspberry PKR Tutorials. I'm Martin Parker, and in this video we're going to continue with our Tic Tac Toe game. As you can see, we've got it so we have it stopping so you can't click any more buttons if you have a winner, like this diagonal here, but we can't get to play a new game. And also at the end of my last video in the playlist, when I was talking about what's coming in this video, I've forgotten to mention that we will look at sorting out if there is a draw situation. So let's get going. First things first, this button's index looks out of place. I put it there when I was coding to give you an idea on what was going on, but let's move that and put that up here, so it's with the other variables. Right, so let's create our menu for our new game. So we'll do menu equals tk dot menu. This is going to go into the root window, and then we'll do a root dot config, and this will be menu equals menu. And then we need to create a sub menu, and that's going to be equal to tk dot menu, and this is going to go into the menu area. And now we've got that, we will do a menu dot cascade, and this wants to be equal to a label equals, and this will be game, and the menu is going to equal to the sub menu, and then sub menu dot add underscore command. This wants to be label equals, and we shall put a new game label, and the command will be for the function new game, which we'll enter in a second. So if we run it now, it's going to cause a fault because this doesn't exist. So let us create our function. We're not going to pass anything into it, but just like we have here, when we have a winner, we're disabling all the buttons. But basically, if we just copy that and paste it into here, but we don't want to disable them, we want them to be working again. And you'd think it'd be enable or something like that, but it's actually normal to get them working again. And also we need to clear any X or O's that are currently on screen, and how we can do that is not using the buttons.config. We can use the main layout and run through the dictionary from the keys. So we'll do main main layout dot get, so we're going to get the index, and not the index, yeah, well, but then we're going to set the string variable to basically an empty string. And also, because we're working with our clicks variable, we want to refresh that. So for us to use it, then we need to do a global clicks. So we are redoing that, so clicks equals 0. And if we run that, we should get a, oh dear, Oops, what did I put? Add underscore cascade. There we go, so we've got our new game now. So if I start running a game and we get to a winner, can't click anything else there, but we can click new game and we get a fresh amount of buttons. But this here, I don't like this. This is where you can drag it off. So you clicked it, now it's a separate item. So I want to stop that. And how you can stop that is when you create your menu, and it goes in, I think it's this one, tear off equals false, and now we can't separate it off, so now it looks a lot better. So there we go. But now we want to check if we have a draw, and the way that I've coded it here, I think it's going to be a bit awkward. So what we can do is rather than having a separate function for winner, we could do it where we set this and this returns either true or false, and then if it is true for a winner, then run this. It's only like 2 lines of code, so we could put that into the clicked function, and also that way we could actually check to see if we've got all of those buttons are disabled, because I don't think I could put it into this point in this function. Yeah, I think we need to do it into the clicked section. So what we'll do is we'll call this win is equal to, and we'll get something back. So rather than calling the function, we'll set winner. No. We don't want to do winner, do we? Because that's that function. We're going to get rid of that. Yeah, we'll just do return true, and we can copy that and paste it over there, paste it there, because these are all the times that we're going to actually say that we have a winner, basically. And what we want to do is we want to return, so if I go back, so it's indented out of the for loop, so return false, and then if we have a winner, so if win, because if that equals true, then it will do this. So rather than having this function, what we'll do is we'll grab that, cut that out, and put that into here. Need to sort that out, and now we've got rid of that winner function. But now that we have either a true or a false, we can do a elif, and then let's check the clicks value. So we know there's 9 boxes, so if clicks equals 9 and win equals false, then we know we've got a draw. So let's just print draw. Oops. So I think that's all we need to do, really. And in fact, let's prove that this return true sections won't be bothered by this bit. So if I do a print, nope, we don't have a winner, and you'll see what I mean by why I've done it that way. So there's nothing there at the moment, and if I can go through, you can see how it's printed no because we don't have a winner, and if I keep going it's still saying no, so I've got 6 no's now, and then if I click again, notice how there won't be another no, like so, because it didn't do this section of code because it just returned as true. So we don't really need that, so let's get rid of that. So that's the reason why I've done it this way, and if we do a new game, and let's purposely do it so that we don't get a winner. We are on an O, so let's go there. We want an X, O. Let's bring our other window back. So we've currently got no's because we've gone through all of this. And the reason why there's so many is because we started a new game, and that's why it continues with the no's. But when I click this one, it should say draw, because we won't have a winner. There we go, we do have a draw. So there we go. So that is pretty much it for our Tic Tac Toe game. But we don't want to print out no every time, so let us I took it out, and that's why there's a star there. So if I run it again, now it won't print anything out. So let us see how there's nothing there, and we shall go for a winner. Awesome. So that's it for the Tic Tac Toe game. If you've liked this playlist or any parts of this playlist, then please like the videos and share them for other people who might be interested. And also, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, because you will find more useful hints and tips and playlist items like this. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. I might make some changes to this, so I'm going to keep this playlist open. I might do it so that you can play against the computer, or watch the computer play itself by choosing a different option in here. Yeah, I might put that in as one of my next videos. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.